Hello, sixth graders. How you doing? Mr. Newman here. So today what you're going to do is start preparing and working on reviewing for the test, which you will take the next day you come to class. So these are the two target sheets that the test is going to cover. We've gone over all this in class. So this shouldn't be anything new to you. So what you're going to want to do is make sure that you can explain the three branches of government: legislative branch, executive branch, and judicial branch. We took a practice quiz in class on that piece of paper where you filled in the blanks. That is a resource you can use to help you study. That's the information that's going to be asked for you to know on the test that's coming up the next day you're in class. Then you're going to want to look over here at this target sheet. All of these vocab words we've talked about in class. You've asked questions, I know, because I was there with you, helping you through this. The main ideas: purpose of county government, purpose of the township government, purpose of city government, purpose of a school board. You guys wrote wonderful summaries with the keyword notes strategy about those four types of local government. You did an amazing job. How do I know this? Because I saw them and I read them, and you did a wonderful job with those. So I feel that you're ready for the test based off of those as well. You can go through and study that information from your keyword notes. And then yesterday in class, we talked about the difference between criminal law and civil law. And then finally, what happens if kids break the law in the juvenile justice system. All this you have notes on. We covered that all in class. So your job is to review or study those notes. Now, by just going through the notes and studying, some of that will be good for all of you to do. However, like if I think about me, I need to do something a little bit more to help me review and retain the information. So what we've found over the years is when you create something based off of your notes, it helps you review and it helps your brain connect to what you've been working on in class. So some kids like to create a Quizlet on the information from the target sheet. Some kids like to go and create a slideshow, a Google slideshow going through that information. Some kids like to create a Kahoot and review that way and test their friends and also talk to their parents and see if their parents can answer these questions. Create something that will help you be able to learn and retain the information. If there's something else that's not listed here, go ahead and do that. Note cards are good as well. When you're done with that reviewing, you can take the practice quiz that is right here. It's a multiple choice type practice quiz. There might be some true and false as well. But the point is review, take some time to study today, and that will be what your work is for today. Please email me or come to office hours if you have questions. Good luck, and we'll see you next time you're in school.